Alright, welcome to the Blackstarnain channel. Obviously, what we have here is some game. I know it looks like we just killed a couple birds, stole it from a farm and then just chucked it in our bath. But right now, we have pheasant, which is a type of game. I looked on Wikipedia before we done this. So, Ma, what is this for?
This game is going to be clean, pull all the feathers, and then prepare it, get it ready for soup.
Soup, yeah, nkwan.
Nkwan.
So we're gonna make some pheasant soup. I know it's not called that in English. What do you call it in Tree?
Anomaa.
So bird soup.
Yeah, anomaa.
Anomaa nkwan, yeah? Oh, like chicken soup.
This one in particular looks like guinea fowl.
Guinea fowl. That's a big guinea fowl.
Yeah, some you can get bigger guinea fowl as well.
We've got about 4 more of these. We got this from outside London, you know, white man country, where they, you know, they hunt birds and stuff. And yeah, you know, that's what we did. It was a spur of the moment sort of thing. Apparently my grandmother from Ashanti region, I had to say that, she used to make this soup.
Your granddad used to be a hunter.
What do you call that? Oh, ahayo, isn't it?
Yeah, ahayo.
Yeah, ahayo. From hunting. Jeez. Okay, so we're gonna come back. Okay. After we've skinned this, so we're boiling this, and then we're gonna skin this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then when we skin it, we're gonna chop it into joints, right?
Yeah.
And then we chop it into joints, we start making the nkwan, the soup. See? Oh, it stings right now, but you know,
yeah,
their bodies are meant to stink. You know?
We're going to put a vinegar in it.
Oh, vinegar, okay.
Yeah.
In the hot water, in the bath, so you know this is the bath. So you know this is the bath. Oh, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready for this soup. I'm gonna come back in 20 hours time. Peace. It's the Blackstarnain channel. I'm back. The pheasant soup, the anomaa nkwan is what my mom said is ready.
Nwura anomaa nkwan. Nwura Akokɔhwedeɛ, which is bush this thing, guinea fowl.
Biaka.
Wow.
Okay.
A bit of adrenaline.
Adrenaline. What? Some brain?
No. Some dry fish.
Oh, that's
to give you a flavor.
Oh, so brain is adrenaline, isn't it?
Yeah, adrenaline. Kakra.
Jeez. This is not a joke. We went out to the depths of the forest, not of Ashanti, but the depths of the Surrey forests in England. The English meat, the game, the pheasant, has graduated in the soup, the Ghanaian soup. And it's ready to finish graduation, to celebrate in my stomach. Mom, you've done the bowl proud. You've done Nyankopon proud. Even Nyankopon wants to chop this food right now. Yes. Sang nkwan.
Because sangkwai go and enjoy yourself. Why not?
I will. Thank you. Leave some soup for yourself to drink.
Oh, I'll leave this.
I'm gonna take a bit more because that's too much. Use some soup
No.
to drink.
That's
Why you don't want to drink some?
It's
Well, yeah. Well, that's the way I like it. Nice and hot. See pepper. See, I want you to look around the edges. See the smoke.
Stop. You're making people hungry.
I'm making myself hungry. Okay. Woo. See the oil.
Hey, Hamon, have you smelled it?
Of course. I smell it from my room.
Oh dear. It's fantastic.
Now you're gonna watch me eat this. It's been the Blackstarnain channel. This is my anomaa nkwan, or my pheasant soup. We'll come back for more. Peace. It's the Blackstarnain channel. Football's on, but more importantly, pheasant soup, anomaa nkwan. Basically, I'm gonna eat this. Show you how it's done. Okay, so I'll do my prayer.
There is a little bit of contact from Nicholas Moisander, but not enough for me.
We'll begin. Move the pheasant to the side. Have a little to taste.
The two greats develop a management team these days for Ajax. And normally on a dominant team.
Is that peanut soup?
Tonight it's the young Ajax.
Try it. It's peanut soup.
Oh
Peanut.
no, this is pheasant soup. It's like a type of bird that you find in England.
Oh,
So yeah, but it's just a light soup with it. So there's no peanut or palm added. It's nice. It's like hot and sweet, but it's very tasty. It's nice. We tried the meat a little bit. The reason why I'm eating it like this, a bit sloppily, is my hand is hot. It's hot right now. Oh, it's tasty.
Still he hasn't scored in the Champions League. Neymar must have.
This is the end of the Fufu vlog. Okay. In every Fufu vlog, I'm gonna have some fufu, the meat, if there is meat, and I'm gonna drink the soup. Then I'm gonna give it a grade. I'll give this one A-.
A minus.
Really, they're all A star, but the thing is, I give this one A- because maybe if I added abe, which is palm, it could have been better. But it's nice. I'll give this one A-. It's the end. That's on our channel. Subscribe if you can. Peace.